Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error "This site cannot be reached Windows 10. Chapter 1. Fix error "This site cannot be reached Windows 10 configuring DNS. First, you should check the error in the browser. Then in the search box, enter network, click on View Network Connections. After that, right-click on the network adapter, select Properties. Here, select the line Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. Now you are going to activate the box. Use the following DNS server addresses. Next, enter the IP address to use. Click OK. Refresh your browser to see how it works. Chapter 2. Fix error "This site cannot be reached Windows 10 check host file. First of all, you are going to check the browser error. Then in the search box, enter Notepad. In Notepad, click Run as administrator. Click Yes to access. After that, click on File and then Open. Go to the path you see on the screen. Here, select all the files. Click on the hosts file and click Open. Here, delete the line where the domain name is after 127.0.0.1. Save these changes. You can check that the website opens without error. Chapter 3. Fix error. This site cannot be reached Windows 10 from CMD. First, check the error from the browser. After this, enter CMD in the search box. Click on Run as administrator. Click Yes to open the console. Here, free the DNS cache. Run the command ipconfig-flush DNS. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Refresh your browser to check that it opens correctly. Chapter 4. Fix error. This site cannot be reached Windows 10 from Chrome. Open the browser to see the error in question. Then open a new window and enter the text on the screen. Press Enter. After this, click on Clear Host Cache. You can refresh the website to check. Chapter 5. Fix error "This site cannot be reached Windows 10 configuring proxy. First, check the error in the browser. After this, click on the Chrome menu and click on Settings. Here, in the search, enter Proxy. Click on the option Open your computer's proxy settings. Then turn off the switch, automatically detect settings. You can check that the website loads normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.